Meet the TC8650, a powerful thermal imaging camera that reveals the hidden moisture and heat patterns your eyes can't see. With a 2.4-inch display, high thermal sensitivity, and a wide measurement range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers professional results in a pocket-ready form. Today I'm going to walk through how to use this thermal camera to capture and document the highest quality thermal images. While gripping the camera with the screen facing you, locate the power button at the bottom right. Once located, click and hold the power button until your screen activates. When the screen is on, you are officially ready to capture heat signatures around you. All cameras come factory set, and to change those settings, we will need to use the directional pad at the center of the camera. To access the Settings tab, click the center button on the directional pad. Once you do this, you will be offered a handful of options to adjust, ranging from heat signature colors, measurement ranges, temperatures, and more. As an example, let's adjust colors. Using the directional pad, hover over P color on your screen and click the center button. This will open up a range of colors you can choose from. For this video, let's go with rainbow. Using the directional pad, click down until hovering over rainbow and click the center button to select. Once selected, locate the back button in the top right corner and click twice. Your screen will now be your selected color. With custom settings set, you are ready to begin capturing image using your thermal camera. To capture images, point the camera at your subject and press the blue trigger button in front of the camera. Once pressed, you will be prompted to save your image. Using the directional pad, either cancel or click OK to save the image. Once you capture images and thermal readings, you will need to access those saved images. To do so, locate the album button at the top left and press it to open. Now that you have the album open, you can simply use the directional pad to open and view images to take a further look. To transfer and save your images to the computer, use the included USB Type-C cable. Connect the cable to the TC8650 and your computer, and once they're connected, your computer will automatically recognize the device as a removable drive. Open the folder labeled DCIM to access your saved photos, and from here, you can drag and drop your thermal images to any folder on your computer for documentation or reporting. To turn off your TC8650, simply press and hold the power button until your screen states shutting down. And with all that being said, you are now officially ready to take your TC8650 into the field. To learn more about the TC8650 Thermal Imaging Camera, visit wagnermeters.com.